So we've got some chocolate here. Who doesn't like chocolate? Okay, now that goes there.
That's nice.
Okay, rinse. And I am going to be very random and I'm going to mix a big blob of magenta. Let's see.
I think the brown's going to overpower.
Let's have a look. Can you see the mixing? Yes, you can. Sorry. It's the reddy brown. Now it's the.
It's like
Very nice color, actually.
Like
Let's see.
It looks almost the same to the brown.
Now on camera you probably can't see, but actually there's quite a difference.
On camera it looks almost the same.
Look. Wait, just a sec, it's bending.
Oh yeah, the other one is like darker, like it's more reddish.
It's reddish. And now I'm going to add this one. It's cream. Big, but I want to make it really light. So here goes, massive blob. Okay, it needs a bit of water, it's getting sticky. This is expired, this one.
Ugh.
Yeah, they're going hard. I'm going to have to go and buy. Otherwise, I'll get a no homework if I don't buy my paints like you. Okay, this is very nice, actually. This looks like a cake mix before you put it in the oven. Can you see it? Very, very nice color. Okay. Now, do you know what I'm going to do? Experimental.